Hello everyone, welcome to Mandarin class. This is Miss Chen. Last time we learned how to do greetings with each other, right? How do you ask, how are you, and how to ask your name. Let's see. How do you do greetings and ask people's names? First one, 你好, 你好, hello, right? 我叫 Paul. What does it mean? 我叫 Paul. My name is Paul, or I'm called Paul. And what's your name? 你叫什么名字？你叫什么名字？ Okay, so how do you answer this question? 你叫什么名字？你 means you, right? 你叫什么名字？ What's your name? So you changed it to 我叫 something. So you say 你好，我叫木兰，我叫木兰。So this is the thing we learned last time, how to ask people's name. Simply use this question. 你叫什么名字？你叫什么名字？ Okay. And if you want to ask how are you, you ask 你好吗 right? 你好吗？我很好。你好吗？ Okay. We also learned all the initials, and let's see if you still remember this. The first one, how do you say it? 波 Okay, this one is kind of hard. 鸡 Okay, next one. 佛 This one. 坡 Okay, this one, how do you say it? L It's like a sound behind it, right? L Okay, next one. De It's like a sound too. De Next one. Te Okay, this one. Ne So de, te, ne, le all have a sound. Okay, next one. Ge This one over here. This one is the last one we learned and probably one of the most difficult one. R Okay, and then this one over here. Mo Okay, so you see this four. Bo, po, mo, fo is like the o sound behind it, right? Bo, po, mo, fo. And this one sounds like the sound. De, te, ne, le. Okay, next one. S. This one. Qi. This one. Xi. Okay, this one. Ke. This one. Shi with he behind it, so it's curling out tongue. Shi. Okay, next one. He. Don't forget to make your throat vibrating. He. Okay, this one. Z. Zhi. So z and zhi, curl your tongue. Zhi. This one. C. It's like students, right? C. And then ch. Okay, so the last part. Zhi, ch, shi, zhi, zi, ci, si. And this one. Ge, ke, he, ji, 七西的特呢了波坡摸 for. Okay, so these are all the initials we've learned. And then we also learned some finals, simple ones, and then the tones, right? For example, if you say ah, first one, ah, with 4 tones. First tone, second tone, third tone, and fourth tone. So first tone is a flat tone. You say ah, second tone question, like a question. Ah, ah. And third tone goes down and up. Ah, ah. And fourth tone going down. Ah, ah. Okay. And then the next one is o, 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 o. And then this one, uh, 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 uh. This one, e, 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 e. This one, u, 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 u. Last one, ü, 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 ü. Okay, so these are the 6 vowels, 6 finals with the 4 tones. And remember, the first tone you go high up. You say ah, not ah. Okay, ah, o, e, u, ü. And second tone is like question. Ah, o, e, u, ü. So it goes up. And then third tone goes down and up. Ah, o, e, u, ü. And then fourth tone goes down. Ah, o, e, u, ü. Okay, so tones are very important for Mandarin. Pay attention to all the different tones. So these are the finals and the tones. And today we are learning more compound finals with 2 of these single finals together. So this one, A and E together, we spell them together. So I, and with fourth tone, I. And we also learned this for the formal lessons. I means love, right? 爱，我爱你, I love you. 爱. And this one with initials, 么爱, my, and this one, 菜. Okay. And second one, with e, a. It's like the alphabet, A, right? A. This one, 杯. Bay can be cup, like a cup or a mug. Bay. And then with a, hey, fei. And this one, and all. Third tone, ao. Can mean coat. With lao. And with bao. Okay, this one, o. So with first tone, o. It can mean the seagulls, hai o. And then with the o, do. And with toe. Okay, so this 4, we'll do one more time. I, a, o. It's pretty easy as long as you know like the final, the single final, how to say it, and then you put them together, then you have it. And then this one, yi and a, ya, ya, ya. And we talk about this word, yi, in Mandarin, it's the replacement of yi, right? So in this case, this yi is the replacement of this word, the finals, yi. So ya, oh, sorry, ya, ya can mean duck, ducks, ya. And with xi, xi ya, xia, xia, xia. And then with ji, jia, jia, jia. Okay, and this one is a little bit different. Pay attention to this one. This one is not ye, it's ye, ye, ye. So this e replace it because this word doesn't have initials in it, right? So we use e to replace e. Ye with fourth tone, ye, ye. So ye can mean leaves, ye, ye. And this one with le ye, lie, lie. And then bie, bie. Okay, so ya and ye both replaced by e, ya and ye. Okay, let's see it one more time. I, a, ao, o, ya, ye. Okay, so these are the 6 compound vowels we learned today. It's pretty easy. And we talk about ye, right? Ye. And I know since the province is open up, maybe a lot of you can meet your grandparents for the first time in a long time, right? And last time we talked about family members. And today we are going to learn how to say grandparents in Mandarin. So the first one is also the compound we just learned, ye, right? But second tone, ye, 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 ye. So grandfather. But in China, we call grandparents on both sides differently. So ye, ye is on your father's side. It's your father's father, ye, 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 ye. And then on father's side, father's mother, 奶奶 奶奶 I 奶奶 奶奶 So grandfather 爷爷 grandmother 奶奶 but both on father's side, right? And then we have the grandparents on mother's side will be different words. So far we learned all the family members with 爸爸 mama, all the same words, right? You have them both like 2 times. And now we have different words. On mother's side, your mom's father, 外公外公外公外公 grandfather on your mother's side, sorry. And then we have 外婆外婆外婆 on your mother's side, mother's mother 外婆. So 外公 and 外婆外婆. Okay, so do you still remember how to say your father's father, your grandfather on father's side? Over here, 爷爷爷爷, and then grandmother, 奶奶奶奶. So both of them on your father's side, right? And then we have 外公外公 and 外婆外婆. Okay, so 外公 and 外婆 are on your mama's side. So mama and then 爸爸, right? And then we have this one, I hope you still remember what does it mean. 哥哥 what's 哥哥 Your older brother, right? 哥哥 And then 姐姐姐姐 is older sister. 姐姐我 myself, right? 我 And then 弟弟弟弟 is your younger brother, 弟弟 And then this one 妹妹妹妹 will be your younger sister, right? Okay, so these are the full family tree in Mandarin. And then we learned today 4 new words. Now, I want you to follow me to say it one more time. 爷爷爷爷奶奶奶奶外公外公外婆外婆 Okay. And last time we learned how to say I love you or I love Canada or I love my mom, I love dad, right? 我爱 And how do you say I love grandpa? I love grandpa. 我爱爷爷 right? I love grandpa. 我爱爷爷 And on your father's side. And how do you say I love grandma? 我爱 Which word are you searching for? 我爱奶奶我爱奶奶奶奶 on your father's side. Grandma. And then on mom's side, 我爱外公我爱外公 And then on your mother's side, grandma, 外婆我爱外婆我爱外婆 Okay, let's do it one more time from the first one. How do you say I love grandparents? 我爱爷爷我爱爷爷我爱奶奶我爱奶奶我爱外公我爱外公 And then 我爱外婆我爱外婆 Okay. If you here is the question for you. If you want to say I love dad, how do you say I love dad in Mandarin? 我爱爸爸 right? And then how do you say I love older sister? I love older sister. 我爱姐姐我爱姐姐 Okay, how do you say I love younger brother? 我爱弟弟 right? So if you want to say any of the family members, just say 我爱哥哥我爱姐姐我爱我 I love myself, of course. 我爱弟弟我爱妹妹 Okay, 我爱妈妈我爱爸爸 right? 我爱 Okay, 我爱爷爷我爱奶奶我爱外公我爱外婆 So these are the 4 new words we learned today for grandparents. I hope if you have the chance to see your grandparents, you can tell them how do you call them in Mandarin, right? And you can say I love you in Mandarin, 我爱你 or 我爱爷爷我爱奶奶 Okay, and last time we also learned how to say Canada in Mandarin. It's very similar to Canada, but you change one word, right? Instead of can, we say 加拿大 right? 加拿大 Okay, and how do you say I love Canada? 我爱加拿大 right? 我爱加拿大 Okay, and this country, how do you say China in Mandarin? 中国中国中国 Okay, so for Miss Chen, I will say I love China. 我爱中国我爱中国 So Canada and China. Now, today we are also going to learn some characters. We are going to talk about some characters. In Chinese, we have pinyin and characters, right? Characters is the written form of Mandarin. Now, I think you all know that characters look like squared words, so it's combined with strokes, right? Like 横, 竖, 撇, it's like different strokes, looks like pictures. If you can find the Chinese characters among all those pictures, take a look at this picture. I'll give you like 10 seconds. You try to find out which part is Chinese words and which part are not, okay? Remember, it looks like squares, right? Okay, so the easiest one is in the middle, these three, right? These three, very obvious, is Chinese words. And then this piggy also are combined with Chinese words, but it's a little bit disformed, so it can shape like a piggy. And then this part inside of this picture, all those lines is a Chinese word too, the characters. And this part above the birds, this word is also character. And then this one, 4 characters with lines. So Chinese characters are like pictures because some of it are actually come from pictures in old times when people invent the characters. And today I'm going to show you the origin of the Chinese characters. We'll watch a video together.
The marks carved on rocks 8,000 years ago are regarded as the first example of Chinese characters, Hanzi. Ancient Chinese recorded what they saw in the world by drawing. Legends say that Chinese characters are pictures which can be read. Westerners often say that Hanzi are pictographs. This is because the first Hanzi were pictographs which conveyed meaning through physical resemblance to physical objects. Meanwhile, some Hanzi are composed of symbols which represent sound. Looking back at history, we can understand the life of people in ancient China with Hanzi. There are 2,500 frequently used characters. A good grasp of these Hanzi is like reading an encyclopedia on China. Welcome to the mysterious world of Hanzi. Hanzi.
Hanzi.
Okay, so this is how you say Chinese characters and how it come from. You just watched this video, right? Do you remember how to say Chinese characters in Mandarin? 汉字, right? 汉字. Okay, So like the video said, originally Chinese words come from pictures. So ancient Chinese people look at the sun and they see a circle, right? So they write it down, this symbol to mean sun with a dot inside, circle with a dot. And then like this mountain, it looks like the shape of a mountain, right? And then water, it's like the river running. And then fire, here, like the flames are going up. And fish looks like this, looks exactly like a fish, right? And the moon, like a moon, half of the sun. So these are the simple words come from the pictures, but not all of Chinese characters are from the picture. So the original are from it. So in modern times, people, after like thousands of years, the characters change a bit. So people change it to more similar shape, like you use strokes to write the words instead of using pictures, right? So in old times, the mountain looks like this, and right now we write it like this. And the water used to look like this, and then what we make the strokes are straight, very neat lines. And then fire too, mostly are straight and clean lines. Fish looks like this, and the sun supposed to be a circle in old times, and now it's a square too. So you put all the lines, change it into a square, and then the dot change into one line too. And then the moon is the same. So this is how the Chinese word changes from thousands of years. In old times, it looks like pictures, but right now it looks like those lines together. Okay, and today I'm going to upload another video about 36 Chinese words that come from pictures. There's actually only a picture, it's a cartoon. And I want you to watch the video and find out the, let's see, I wrote it down here. Find out the 36 characters in the given video and then draw it out and write in English meaning. So you can draw it like, for example, you see this word here, right? You draw it out and you write, oh, this is the mountain. And then you draw this one out. You see it in the video, you can draw this part out and then you write it, this is water, right? Water. So there are 36 characters in that in the video I'm going to give you. I hope you find all of it. And then the second part is, if you have the chance to see your grandparents, you can say like, Grandpa, Grandma, I love you in Mandarin. But how do you say that? How do you say Grandpa and Grandma? Let's say it one more time. So on your father's side, you say 爷爷, 爷爷, right? And on your father's side, grandma, 奶奶, 奶奶. So if you want to say, Grandpa, I love you, 爷爷, 我爱你, right? And then 奶奶. Then on mother's side, 外公, 外公, 外婆, 外婆. Okay, so that's the exercise I want you to do. And like always, we'll have the last part of the twins video today. Okay, so this is the last part of the whole video. I hope you enjoyed it. And don't forget to do the exercise. And I'll see you next time. 再见，再见。